Yo, it's D-Dog, the goat, bro. So I just came across this flavor, go. Look at
No.
this thing. Malva pudding, and we know Malva pudding is it is like the OG of the OGs, bloody puddings in South Africa. And I saw this on someone's TikTok page, and now I'm finally getting a chance to try this. Me personally, I buy Switch every single day, so I'm a huge Switch fan. So we're getting to try this thing, this Malva pudding, boy. I'm so eager to taste this. I'm so wanting to taste this so badly. I've been looking for this thing since I saw it. Like someone have this thing. I've been wanting to look for it and been looking for it. I mean, for like weeks.
This bullshit. This all bullshit.
Weeks and months. Now I finally found this bad boy. Shoo. The best one to me so far that I've tasted is the cream soda float. This one. This is the best one I've tasted. This is like a 2 million out of 10. Now we're gonna try this one. Let's see if this one is going to beat the cream soda float.
You just fucking say something. I think he said something to you, Liz. He just called me a cunt, didn't he? I think you should sort him out, Liz. I'm gonna fucking go over there and fucking have a word with him.
Oh my god! Wow!
Just get a whiff of that. Just get a whiff of that. This is like when you're walking past someone that's busy smoking there in the public and you get a whiff of their weed. I'm getting a whiff of this now.
What the fuck? No!
I can't buffalo myself like that. I can't disrespect the buffalo like that. Let me taste this. Yo.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
I can taste, like, it doesn't taste exactly like Malva pudding, but you know that bread part of the Malva pudding, eh? I can taste a little bit of that in here. And it's got a hint of like a sweet taste, like a cake. But it still can't beat this. I don't think anyone that I've tasted is going to beat this. Or ones that I haven't tasted in the future, or that I'm going to taste in the future, are going to beat this one. But this, honestly, let me take another sip. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. This is 2 million out of 10. But yo, I suggest you guys buy this one if you see that the other flavors are out. But guys, if you see this one in the shop, go for this one, the main one. The main one, this. And this, I think it's strawberry, raspberry with like a heart and shit on it. It's pink. That one you guys must get also. That's the second best in my opinion. But yeah, that was a little Switch review for my favorite brand. Just wanted you guys to check this flavor out because this looks for fork, bro.